Alpine glaciers are one of the two main types of glaciers. They are confined by surrounding mountain terrain. A cirque glacier is an erosional feature, a bowl-shaped depression on the side of or near mountains. They are amphitheater-like depressions that glaciers carve into mountains and valley sidewalls at high elevations. Cirques facing north receive less solar radiation than south-facing cirques in the northern hemisphere, resulting in lower air temperatures and less ice melt across the year. Examples of cirques include the Eel Glacier on Mount Anderson in Washington. Some types of cirques include the simple, compound cirque complexes, staircase, and troghs. Other names for cirques are corrie and combe. When three or more cirques meet, a pyramidal peak called horns are formed. Horns are sharp angular mountain peaks, created by the intersection of multiple arêtes as glaciers carve out adjacent cirques. A hanging glacier originates high on the wall of a glacial valley and descends only part of the way to the surface of the main glacier and abruptly stops, typically at a cliff. They then calve or feed valley glaciers through avalanches and ice falls, and also trigger rockfalls and landslides. A Piedmont glacier is a large lobe of ice that spreads out over flat terrain at the base of mountains, usually where valley glaciers meet. Also known as shelf ice, they are valley glaciers which have spilled out onto relatively flat plains, where they spread out into bulb-like lobes. They can also be glaciers that form as cirque glaciers expand and flow down into the hills and valleys.